Get excited about the 2020 Audi e-tron. Audi prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, a built-in garage door transmitter, an outside temperature display, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated and ventilated seats, and a split-folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Safety and maximum capability are assured via self-leveling rear suspension, which maintains optimal driving geometry. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.